सर तो आप
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. Nice to see that almost 30 cadets are present over here. And
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, almost everybody is here. Let us begin with our today's discussions. Just tell me what we were doing yesterday. Any idea? Can I not expect to know
So we
from
solve the
what we have been
questions.
doing in last time?
So we were doing question.
Okay, what was that question about? What was that question about?
Question of trust.
Trust member we were finding that. Post that.
Yeah, we were solving a cantilever truss. See what is expected. This will happen most of the time, and you can be jotting down something in your notebook so that you know what.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
There is another member from another division in our meeting.
I don't know what reason he has. It is strange, but anyway, let the cadet be there. Cadet, if you don't belong to division 2, and by mistake if you are here, then I suggest that you may join your division wherever they are studying. Unnecessarily, you may attract a absence mark or something. Okay. Or if you have a free lecture and if you are here, you are welcome. Okay. So let me share. This is a problem we have been solving, and our focus was solely upon this. Now, we are following a method of joint. Now, dear cadets, all of you, please keep your paper and a Kelsey and a pen ready. We are going to work in a collaboration, and the cadet to whom I ask to start the camera and show me what calculation he or she is doing, that is a must. If anybody is not interested in calculating with me, then tell me at the front end that, sir, fine, I cannot do it, or I am not comfortable with the calculations in the class. Then I will not ask him any question whatsoever. It is okay. But once we agree, and if I ask you, just calculate this, then one has to show me what he or she is doing. It is like an exam, you have to start the camera and I should be able to see that. If anybody doesn't want to participate in this, kindly type no, I don't want to calculate while studying. Write clearly in the chat. It is for my record only, for nothing else. Just type no in the chat box. There is nothing wrong in that. Somebody may just like to listen to the lecture. Okay. This is a problem. We started solving. We found out the reactions. this is a joint A. What we did was observing a equilibrium of forces at a point A. Then there are two forces here, and all these three forces together, their sum is 0. Here direction and the magnitude both are known. Here only direction is known, and here also only direction is known. So that way we can say this element should pull the point A upward, because then and then it can have a y component upward, and that upward y component will balance 24 kilonewton, and the sum of the forces in the y direction will become 0. Now this has got to be 24, and we calculated that for that this becomes 28.8461 or something. If that is it, then there is a component over here also. This particular force has a component here also, and that must be balanced by B pushing it backward. In short, this force in a vertical direction has a two component, one in a positive y direction, other in a negative x direction. Force in a positive y direction is balanced by another force in a negative y direction, which is 24, and this also should be 24. Then this particular component is balanced by a compression in element BA. As a result, we are working on this, and we now know that this element AB is in tension with a force 28.8461, and this is in a compression with a force 16 kilonewton. So we have solved a joint A. We know all the forces at a joint A. Then now is the time to go to the joint F. Which is very easy to do. Now we are at a joint F.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I am getting confused in arrow direction. Like sometimes you are taken arrow direction inwards and sometimes outwards. Sir. So like, what is the criteria?
What is the criteria? See,
The back, please back the
just a moment.
back. Okay, sir. In this, in last diagram, you are taken arrow inwards.
Okay, just a minute. Now you can unmute yourself and listen to me. Here, thanks for this question anyway. Here at a point A, there is a 24 kilonewton force downward. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now, then there is an element here and an element here. force in this element and this element should be such that net sum is 0. That means some y component of all the three forces, this one, and this one, should be 0. And the x component of this one plus this one plus this one also should be 0. Let us first consider a y component. This 24 is a y itself, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It is a downward 24. This one does not have any y component. So while we sum this y component, this is useless. This we forget about it. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, to make the y component 0, if one y component is in a downward direction, then y component of this should be in a upward direction. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right? If y component is upward, this arrow should be like this. Force at a point A by member AF is like this. Is it correct?
Okay, sir. Got it, sir.
You got it? Now, okay. Now, this one is inclined in this direction. Its y component is cancelling this 24. So, at this point, there is no force in a y direction. Same way, we do not want a single force in a x direction. This has a y component of 24 and a 16 component of a x component is a 16. Now, to balance this 16, this particular BA must be pressing in a 16 this direction. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now you can see this AF, I am drawing an arrow this side. It has a one component upward which is balancing this 24, and another component is a leftward which is taken care of by force FAB, which is rightward. Am I right?
Okay, sir.
It demands a thinking, no doubt. And that particular thinking, though very simple, it will not come offhand. You should make some mistakes yourself. Try to solve some problem yourself also, which I have already sent you on a Moodle. In the Moodle, I have sent you few problems. There are some solved problems also, and there are some unsolved problems also. Make a mistake, and you will be feeling great. Nevertheless, thanks a lot for raising this issue. Don't hesitate to ask me few more questions. Now this is, once it is over, we go to the, we come to the joint F over here at this place. At this point, this element is pulling the joint A. So the same element is pulling the joint F also. This is very important to understand. Are we clear about this? Because this element AF is in tension. If you take a rubber band and pull it, then both end rubber band is pulled outward. And at both end, rubber band is pulling our fingers inward if we are pulling it with our fingers. So this AF is in tension, right? And it is pulling A and is pulling F also same force. So here at this point, this force is a 28 point whatever and these two forces are not known. Now we will analyze it further. We have come to a joint F. Cadets, please pay attention here. This is so simple that we might miss it. This is joint F. Element AF is pulling it outside. This pull has a two component. One FA cos theta and another is FA sin theta. So this FG should cancel this and FB should cancel this component. Am I right? Is it very clear to you?
Yes, sir.
FA is giving a two kind of a pull. It is 16 in this direction and it is giving a 24 in this direction. So this guy is cancelling 24, this is cancelling 16. Correct? So now we can say that this member FG, it is 16 kilonewton in tension and the member FB is a 24 kilonewton in a compression. As a memory rule, at any joint, if any element is pushing this joint, then it is also pushing another joint. Here, if it is pulling this joint, then it is pulling a G also. Okay. And element which is giving a inward force at the joint is always in a compression. And the element which is giving a outward force, which is always in a tension. There is nothing else other than this. So now we know the force in a two more elements. We found it out earlier in a AF and a AB. Now we know it in a FB and a FG also. Correct? We can now go further. Now, look, we know the force in this, force in this, force over here also, and a force over here also. So now we come to the point B, so that we can find a force in these two things. At point B, what we got to do? There are four forces. Two are known and two to be found out. AB is a compressive force of a 16. So AB is giving a force like this. FB is a compressive force of a 24. So it is acting like this. Now forces in this element and this element should be such that net force is 0. For that, we just go ahead and play our game at a particular joint like this. Look, dear friends. Now, this is our joint B. Joint B is pushed by BF and that is 24. And this is 16. Now, how should be the forces so that this gets nullified? This force is fixed. This force also is known. Now, force in a GB should be like this. Then and then it can have a vertical component which will cancel downward component. Is every cadet understanding? Does anyone have a curiosity or a doubt? Please ask me. I repeat here that this particular force vertical component that is cancelling this downward 24 kilonewton. Now here angle is theta. If this is FBG, then this is FBG sine theta, right? So FBF, which is 24, is a FBG sine theta. So FBG comes in this way, 28.8461. Now remember, force in a BG is pulling a point B. So this is in tension. So this is tension. Now FBG has an arrow outward. So it will be having a x component also. That x component should be like this. That x component is a 16. And there is already one force in a negative x direction 16. So this 16 plus this 16, this has to be 32. FBC is a FBG cos theta plus 16. So this is in a compression. Is it understandable, dear friends? Will someone say yes or no?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is very nice. Little slow in the beginning will ultimately help us a lot. Now I will tell you, I'll show you something. This is our frame. This is the external load. When we worked on A, we found out that this is a tension T. This is 24 compression, 16C. We solved this joint also. We found out this is 16, this is 28, and today we found out this 32 also. We have finished joint A, F, and a B. Now it is a time to go to the joint G. We cannot come to the point C because so far we know only one force coming to C. These three forces are not known. Okay, so first we will find out there are four forces here also, but out of those four, this 16 and this they are known to us. Okay. Now we want to go to the point G. Yes, here we are. This is a point G. And at a point G, we know this force and we know this force also. This is a something. Let us work here. Here I have made one error which I will show you. It happens when you are as absent-minded as I am. But I have realized it because I was trying to teach you. This 24 is not 24, it is 16. This is 16. Now, there is a 16 here and there is a 28.8461 here. So, if we take all x component, x, y component, this is a x component itself. This is a having x and y both. It has a x of a 16 and it has a y also of a 16. Now to balance the y component of this element should be equal and opposite to the y component of this. So this was 24 like this, so this has gone 24 over here. And this is 16. This also is a 16. So this should be actually 32 bachcho. It is my blunder, nobody else's. What we can do is we can correct it right away. Joint G, I am to do it 16 kilonewton here, and this is also 16 kilonewton here, and this is 32. Oh yes. Now let us study here only in a PPT. So after finishing this point G, we can come to the point C. Agreed? At point C we are now. At point C, this has a, oh sorry. This force is known and this force is known. These two are to be found out. So dear friends, you will agree with me that force in a CH, it cannot be like this. If it is like this, then it will have a y component downward. That will add with this y component and a net y component will not be 0. So, in order to meet the equilibrium condition, that sum of the all y component is 0, then force in a CH is radially outward with a y component upward, that is cancelling this downward component 24 kilonewton. So this FCH, it has a sin theta component over here, which is equal to FCG. So 24 is this. So it is this standard number, and FCH is radially outward. So it is in tension or a compression? Tension. Agreed? Very nice. Now, at FCD, that is force in this element. This is radially outward. It has a 16 component here, and this is 32. So this 32 plus 16 is a 48. That 48 should be balanced by this. So FCD is 48. Radially inward. So it is compression. Agreed? Everybody?
Yes,
It is
sir.
a compression. It is a good. Now, okay, now let us relax for 2 minutes. I mean, we will not be quiet, of course. How many cadets yesterday went to the football selection? Pardon?
Sir, good, sir. Good, sir.
How many? Good number.
No,
Good
sir.
means-
It was Morarji House. Sorry, Mudliar House selection, sir.
So you didn't go to the football practice yesterday?
So we also go.
Acha, okay.
But
So
there was trial only. All means some were not having studs, na. So they didn't select it, but they see us how we play.
how you play? No, it's okay. It's good to have a evening of a sports. Unfortunately, we have a lot of things to study, and sports hours are reduced, which is not good. But we are at least now recovering from a great epidemic world over. So it is like this. You will be surprised that when Corona was full, at that time also in Germany and Holland, they were running the swimming pools. There was a rule that no swimmer can come less than 2 meters close to each other, and they followed the rule. I mean, it was all over. I mean, people say if you want to play badminton, go and play badminton. Badminton courts were not closed. People played table tennis in the worst kind of a corona also. Yes, you wear a mask, you wash your hands, and don't go close to anybody. That is all. But over here, see, in our country, the population being very, very high, and we are not in a very positive mode on our mind and our thinking, we suffered a lot because government had to close everything. Anyway, fine. So yesterday, how many kids got selected in a team? Who is the best football player in this division 2?
Dhruv Tyagi.
04 Daksh, sir. 04.
Daksh. So Dhruv and Daksh, were they playing football earlier or they tried here only?
Prathamesh is also there.
Actually, Daksh, Dhruvo Jyotiray, myself, then Hunardeep, 4-5 people are there who plays goalkeeper.
Prathamesh, Dhruv Tyagi.
Dhruv Tyagi is forward player.
Yes, sir.
Dhruv Tyagi is a forward. Acha. Forward
And
means forward means
goalkeeper, Prathamesh.
acha. We have any midfielder?
Yes, sir.
Indrajit, sir.
Indrajit, midfielder. Okay. Now listen, everybody. I will tell you something. Why yesterday when all of you said you want to go to, I was very happy and I said, okay, go ahead. I don't want to take a class. The reason is involvement in the sports is something very good. Actually, when I was of your age or little younger maybe, when I was 18-year-old or something, I had a 17, 18-year-old when I had some very wrong concept in my mind. I used to think, what is there in a football? But really, you have to go and just kick the ball, right? If you are strong enough, swift enough, if you run fast, and if you have a strength in your body, then you are a best football player. I had this thing in mind, and whenever my first year of engineering, I went to play, and I just didn't know. I was taken aghast. I was defeated. I played in a college where everybody was from a different state. We had a lot of cadets from all over India. Here also we have a good cosmopolitan crowd, but that was a intense. Like we had a people from Kashmir to Kerala, everywhere. Bengalis, Gujaratis, Rajasthani. And I realized that this game is not something which you can think that if you just kick the ball and just that if you're strong enough, you are a good weightlifter, and if you are good in running, then you play football well is to be forgotten. But I had that wrong thing in my mind, and as a result, I suffered and I could never play football well. Later on, when I was working in the Middle East. At that time in the Middle East, by the government's invitation, the team of Brazil had come to play, and that Maradona came to play. It was long back, about 25, no, 30 years, 35 years before. A Maradona came to play, and I saw him, very closely. What kind of a teamwork they have, what kind of a swiftness they have, and what kind of a accuracy they have. It was just fantastic. Right in front of me, Maradona put a two reverse kick, and both resulted into the goal. Can you imagine? I have seen Maradona playing like that. Then I realized that one should not be in any false impression that any sport is just a matter of strength. Even though it is easy, it is useful. Same way, I had a dirty idea about the cricket. I thought that cricket, you just take the ball in the bat and it's a shot. Maybe sometimes you get out, but normally you already at least hit a 1 run, 2 run, 4 run, or a 6 run. All this wrist work and footwork, is a nonsense. And as a result, I could never play cricket well. Never. Even today, I cannot play. I just fail to understand that ball is coming from the front. I am hitting a boundary on my left side, it is offside, and the ball goes as a catch to the wicket keeper. Why it is happening? I do not know. Now, there is a small message for all of us in this. Ultimately, solving a truss is nothing but adding and subtracting forces. Fine, it is that only. But you have to practice that also. I did not practice football, and today I am stupid if I try to play football. Same way, if we don't practice our any subject, engineering, drawing, thermodynamics, I don't want to take the name of a truss, etc. But in truss also you saw that I made a small mistake. I had just, instead of what was 32, I wrote 14. I had to correct myself just now in front of you. So it is a practice which is going to take you everywhere. जमकर फुटबॉल खेलो और कम से कम 2 घंटे तो पढ़ाई होनी ही चाहिए कोई भी सब्जेक्ट की. Right? Okay, so we are now at a joint C, and at joint C I have shown the two forces which I have earlier found out. This is 32 and here it is 24. Now to balance this, we have this force here like this only, then and then its vertical component will cancel this downward 24 kilonewton. Downward 24 kilonewton.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what we have to take FGH 40 or 32?
F?
GH. Sir, it is in the diagram it is 40 kilonewton and in that below it is 32.
Right now, there is no GH in this. Maybe you are seeing some other slide.
No, sir, here only. Arrow shows 40 kilonewton and inward it is written 32 Newton tension. Force GH.
एक मिनट. हाँ. Now do you see this slide?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But in that joint G, sir, what we have to take 32?
Earlier slide you mean to say.
Yes, sir. Joint G. Yes, sir. In this.
Joint G.
Yes, sir. The force FGH below is 32 kilonewton and in the diagram it is 40 kilonewton. So what we have to take?
Just a minute. This is a joint G, and now here this is 16, of course, and this force also has a 16 component here, so this is 32 only, and that's why it is 32 written over here. It was when I was mistaking, I had written 40 over there. So I will now just I am correcting it. This is what happens when people like me also don't practice. We are carried away. I have a full knowledge of how to solve this problem, but my execution became lousy because of this. So now we were in a joint H or a joint C. Yes. At joint C, as I told you, this is 32, this is 24. So this has to be radially outward such that its y component is a 24. And if that is the case, this has got to be 28.8461. Right? Then, if this is 28.8461, over here, it will be having a component 16. There is already 32 present and another 16 came. So it has become now 48. So joint C also is now over successfully, and we can go to joint H. At joint H, this 40 was error, as you know. This was 32 only. This is given. It has a component 16 over here and 24 over here. As a result, this should be 24, this is 16 and this is 32, so this should be 48. This 56 is wrong because earlier I had taken that 40. That is not 40, that is 32, so this is 48. So HI also is now 48.
Can you please tell it again, sir? Sir, how FCH is outwards.
Okay, good. Can you see anything?
Sir, in C, sir, joint C.
In the joint C, okay. Is this what you are talking about?
Yes, sir.
Okay. At joint C, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 elements missing. Some person should mute his mic. We don't know which is pulling the joint or pushing the joint. But this one we are aware, 32 kilonewton, and this one is 24. Now forces in this and this should be such that these two forces are nullified. Correct?
Yes, sir.
First, let us nullify this 24 kilonewton. That 24 kilonewton can be nullified not by this because both of them are perpendicular to it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
It can be nullified by the y component of this only. This 24 is downward. So, y component of this has to be upward. Then and there it can be 0.
Yes, sir, I got it, sir.
If this is upward and if this is a y component of this, then this should be like this.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Now
And in FCD, there will be FCH cos theta plus 32, no?
Very good. FCH cos theta plus
Because sir, FCB
yeah, 32 plus 32. So it becomes 48. True. That also is a that's why it is 48. That is just perfect. Okay. Now I encourage all of you. I'll put this into a. Let me send it to our CR soon. Maybe you'll find some error, but I am not scared. You can correct my errors and just send me this. Then practice about this, about the remaining joints. There are some lot of joints which we have not solved so far. Maybe you can solve. We have solved A, F, B, C, and G. Remaining HD, IE, you can solve tonight and just see your feelings. Don't at all worry if you get confused about anything. Okay. But keep the PPT with, PDF with you only, because after we correct the errors, then only it should go to other division. That is all. And somebody should tell me in a PDF, in my WhatsApp, that these are the corrections and they should be carried out, and I'll be thankful to them. Okay. It is
Thank you, sir.
2:56.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Jai.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind to everybody. I am also in a hurry to go. I have to go and take practicals of nautical physics today for 4 hours. Animesh, कौन है कौन नहीं आया आज?
So all present है.
All present है. Okay. ठीक
हाँ,
है.
so 34 is strength है.
Fine. So remember my football tragedy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Though this is very, very easy, we have to practice. Goodbye. Thanks a lot.